Hey, this is Thomas, the founder of Fuzzy Pipe. Thank you so much for buying the pipe cleaner DIY kits from us. A bit about me, I was laid off earlier this year, felt very lost and depressed, and moved back to my parents' place, as you can see. And I tried everything to get out of my own head. None of them worked, but somehow I found pipe cleaner crafts. This hands-on crafting experience was not only fun, but also had a meditative effect on me that I gradually stopped having racing thoughts and self-doubt. So I started this business with the intention to introduce this fascinating craft to more people and help those who are in tough mental states. So thank you so much for your support. And without further ado, let's get started. This is the tutorial for the Grand Christmas Tree DIY kit. And here's everything you have in the kit. 60 dark green pipes, 5 green pipes, 2 sparkling pipes, 1 white and 1 red pipe, 2 decorative balls, 1 white decorative ribbon, 1 red Christmas ribbon, a piece of non-woven fabric, a free glue gun, and a few glue sticks. Feel free to plug in the glue gun now, just be careful with the tip and the hot glue. We've also put extra pipe cleaners of each color in the kit, so don't worry about messing up. You should have more than enough pipe cleaners to work with. I've also spent a ton of time researching and found the most premium pipe cleaners in the market, so you wouldn't have much of those annoying fluff falling off. To start, roll the non-woven fabric into a cone shape. This will be the foundation of your Christmas tree. You can either fold it in half to make the cone smaller, or roll it directly into a much bigger cone. Depending on how you roll the fabric, each Christmas tree will be slightly different. I folded the fabric in half to make a smaller tree for demonstration purposes. Feel free to skip to the end of this video to see the size comparison. Once you figure out the intended size, use the glue gun to glue the outermost layer of the fabric to the cone, so the fabric doesn't unravel itself. Next, cut the extra fabric at the bottom of the cone so that the cone has a base to stand on its own. Remember to start with smaller cuts and make adjustments accordingly. You should now have a basic cone-shaped structure. Next, we will make the first layer of the Christmas tree. Grab 2 dark green pipe cleaners and twist their ends to tie them together. Now grab the pipe on the left, wrap it around the one on the right, and make a couple 1 to 2 inch oval loops until there's not enough length. Cut out the extra pipes and continue to make more loops with a new dark green pipe. This will be the first layer of the pine needles. Halfway through the process, measure out the length you will need to completely wrap the pipe around the cone. Add more pipes by twisting the ends together if it's too short. Trim the extras if it's too long. Now use the hot glue to attach the pine needles to the bottom part of the cone. Only glue the top part of the needles to the cone, so the rest of the needles hang down past the bottom. Once you've attached the first layer of the pine needles to the cone securely, bend each individual pine needle upward at about the halfway mark. Next, make a few more layers of the pine needles and attach them to the cone. Just like the first layer, only glue the top part of the needles to the cone, so the rest of the needles hang down past the layer of the needles below. Continue to do so until the pine needles cover the entire cone structure. Next, we will make the decorations. To make the wreath, twist the green pipe and the red pipe together really tight, make a circle, cut out the extra length, and twist the loose ends together. To make the candy cane, twist the white pipe and the red pipe together really tight, bend it at the top, and cut to the desired length. Decorate the Christmas tree however you like. In this demonstration, I cut out the silver sparkling pipe into pieces and used them as decorations. I also tied a knot at the ends of the white ribbon and wrap it around the Christmas tree. And I also made a star out of the yellow sparkling pipe and used the hot glue to glue it at the very top of the tree. Awesome, hope you have fun and walked away with a cute handmade craft. Feel free to take a picture or video of your craft and tag us at Fuzzy Pipe on Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok. We're giving away free DIY kits for every single tag, and we will release more creative models to make in the coming weeks. So please follow us to get a sneak peek and use the code RETURN10 for 10% off at fuzzypipe.com. Thank you.